Today, we are talking about a strategy that is completely turning the world of business on its head. I mean, forget everything you know about giant sales teams and crazy marketing budgets. We're going to talk about how to build a self-selling machine. So let's just start with this one. Simple question. What if your product was so good, so intuitive, that it actually sold itself? What if it was its own best salesperson? This single idea, well, it's the foundation for a massive shift away from the old, slow, and expensive way of doing things.
And this really breaks it down perfectly. On the left, you've got the old world, slow, expensive, top-down sales. But on the right, that's the future. The product does the heavy lifting. It drives adoption from the ground up, gives you value right away, and just slashes the cost of getting new customers. It's a total 180.
So this new engine has a name, and that's what we're here to talk about. Product-led growth, or PLG for short. And you've got to understand, this isn't just another buzzword or tactic. It is a fundamental reimagination of how companies can scale.
Okay, let's put a pin in it with a clear definition. Product-led growth is a go-to-market strategy where the product, the thing you actually built, is the main engine for growth. It handles everything from getting a new user in the door to turning them into a paying customer who tells all their friends.
And see, PLG isn't just one thing. It covers the entire customer lifecycle. It starts with users finding the product on their own, maybe through a friend or a search. They try it and boom, they experience its value almost instantly. That makes them stick around, and pretty soon they're actually happy to pay because they've already seen what it can do for them. And the best part? They become your champions, spreading the word for you.
All right, so that's the what, but how does this all work in the real world? Let's get into the PLG playbook and look at the core principles that make this whole thing tick.
Here's the secret sauce, really. PLG products don't try to sell you on anything, they just enable you to succeed. They're built from the ground up to give you value right away. The onboarding is so simple you barely notice it, and you can figure things out on your own without needing a manual. It's all about getting you to that clear aha moment as fast as possible and then making it super easy to share with others.
Now, let's zoom in on what might just be the most important piece of the entire puzzle, that journey to the aha moment. It's that moment of clarity where the user just gets it.
So this is what the modern customer journey looks like. It's not about a salesperson forcing a demo on you. It's a totally natural flow. You try the product, you experience its value, you fall in love with it, and then you decide to pay. From there, it just grows. You use it more, you get your team on it, and eventually you become a full-blown advocate, telling everyone you know. And that moment, that fall-in-love step, that's what we call the aha moment. It's that little flash of insight, that spark when a user finally understands the real, core value your product offers. Honestly, getting users to this point as quickly as humanly possible is the absolute key to making product-led growth work. And to make this crystal clear, think about these examples. For Dropbox, the aha is that magical moment your first file just appears on your phone. For Zoom, it's when you host your first meeting and it just works. No glitches. For Slack, it's sending that first message. These aren't just features, they're experiences that prove the product's worth in an instant.
Okay, it's one thing to talk about principles, but it's way more powerful to see how it works in the wild. Let's look at a couple of giants who used PLG to completely dominate their markets.
This quote about Notion just says it all, doesn't it? They didn't just build a product, they built a growth machine that was cleverly disguised as a productivity tool.
So how'd they do it? It was genius, really. They started with a super generous free plan that got tons of people in the door. Then, they let their community build thousands of templates, which made the product instantly useful. They baked collaboration right in, so sharing was natural. And before you knew it, individuals were bringing Notion into their companies, and it just spread like wildfire from the bottom up.
And then there's Zoom. We all know Zoom. In a ridiculously crowded market, PLG wasn't just a strategy for them, it was the secret weapon that basically made them unstoppable. Zoom didn't win because it had the most features. No way. It won because the experience was just radically better. You could set it up in seconds, you didn't need a training manual, and it worked, even on a bad connection. They absolutely nailed that try, use, love, recommend journey, and well, the rest is history.
Okay, let's bring this all home. If you're inspired by this and you want to build a product-led company, what should you actually be paying attention to? What do you measure? And maybe more importantly, what kind of mindset do you need?
Right, so in a PLG world, the old metrics don't quite cut it. You become obsessed with time to value. how fast can you get a user to that aha moment? And you stop thinking about marketing leads and start thinking about product-qualified leads. These are users whose actions inside your app, like inviting 3 teammates, show you they're ready to buy. In a way, your user data literally becomes your sales pipeline.
But here's the real kicker, and probably the most important part of all of this. PLG is not a marketing strategy. It's not a product strategy. It's a company-wide philosophy. It demands that every single team, product, engineering, marketing, sales, support, everyone is aligned around one single goal, making the user experience absolutely incredible.
And that really brings us to the final thought here. The very idea of what a product is changing. In this new world, products aren't just static tools that solve a problem. They are living, breathing engines that create their own momentum, their own community, and ultimately, their own growth.